everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we are making 5 spice powder. It's a spice mixture made with more than 5 kinds of spices. This is like the most useful Chinese ingredient and it is really easy to make at home. You will need 1 cinnamon stick, 3 star anise, 2 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorns, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper. You can do all black pepper if you don't have access to buy the white pepper. I just like to use both. Half of a black cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 piece of orange peel. It is optional, but I like that it provides the citrus aroma. This is preserved, so it's a little bit difficult to find it. If you have the time, you can sun-dry some fresh orange peel until it is fully dehydrated, then use it in the 5 spice powder. This is ginger because it's already a powder form, so I'm just going to put it on the side and add it at the end. Break up the bigger pieces of the spices so you can toast everything evenly. Toss everything in a wok. Turn the heat to low and stir for a few minutes to evaporate the moisture and activate the aroma. You can also use a cast iron skillet, but I like to be able to toss the spices around, and cast iron is just too heavy for my arthritis wrist. Take it out and let it cool before putting it into a spice grinder. Put the spices in the grinder. Blend this as fine as possible. If your machine is not powerful enough, you might need to let it go through a sieve to get rid of any stubborn pieces. Mine is good, so I don't need to do that. Last, add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and mix it well. That's it, your 5 spice powder is done. Store this in a sealable container. By the way, this video is sponsored by Souped Up Recipes Wok. Surprise! If you don't have a wok yet, you should definitely check out the link in the description. This is like the most basic cookware in Chinese cuisine, and I'm sure it will be a great addition to your kitchenware collection. Another note that I will give is don't make too much of it at one time because the aroma does get weaker if you let it sit for too long. Normally, I would just make an ounce like this, which will last me 2 to 3 months. I have used 5 spice powder in so many of my videos. I'll link all those recipes in the description. You can check them out later. I hope you can give this a try soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos to your friend or family if they love Chinese food. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!